Hey guys, I know the lighting's not very good here because the sun's coming in, but whoop. Alright, this video was requested by Gabe, also known as Fat Guy with a Katana on YouTube. I'm in my daily driver, Cougar here, and if you've watched my channel, you might have seen this before. On the same road, I did a little acceleration test, and more to just see if the camera could handle the audio. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here again. I'm not going to be too rough on this car though, because I got to drive it every day. But you'll just have to trust me that it will light the tires up if it needed to. This has the 4.6 V8 in it, with a limited slip rear end, and I'm just going to gun it and see if it can handle the volume here, and we'll see how it goes. Alright. Drop the camera down and look at the gauges for a second because somebody just pulled by here. Let's see. Oh man. Anyway, the sun's like right dead in my face now, but anyway, that'd be a good check just to see if it can handle the audio of the car driving, and if it can, then we'll move on to trying the older cars. You know, we'll get the 47 out or the Studebaker or something to give them a shot. So anyway, thanks for watching, and go check out Gabe's channel, Fat Guy with a Katana, and he's always got awesome stuff on there. Plays amazing guitar and chops stuff up with a sword, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.